Pause. If you are thinking about entering crypto, or you have already entered, this video is not for you. Wait. Actually, this video is only for you, because what I am about to tell you today. No influencer will tell you this. No YouTube guru will tell you this, and definitely no exchange will tell you this. This is the dark reality that 90% of people understand. Only after their money is already gone. 90% of people, 9 out of every 10 people who enter crypto, lose money, not a small amount. Some of them lose everything, and that reason. The one you are thinking of right now, bad luck, wrong coin, market crash. That is not it. The real reason is much deeper, much darker. And honestly, much more relatable. Today I will tell you 10 reasons. 10 deadly mistakes that destroy 90% of people. And if you understand these mistakes today, you are already different from 90%. But first, a warning. This video is long. I want you to watch all of it, because point 6 and point 9. Those 2 points I am about to reveal. They are the most dangerous. They are the most common. And honestly, they are the most painful too. Point 9 is my personal favorite, and I am not saying that to sound dramatic. I am saying it because that mistake, I made it myself. So promise me watch the full video, because if you leave in the middle, you might miss that one point. That could have saved your money. Let's go. Point 1. FOMO. Fear of missing out. December. Your friend sends you a WhatsApp message. Yar, Bitcoin is at $69,000. There is still time, come in. You open social media. Everywhere you look, one thing. People posting photos with Lamborghinis. Someone saying they made 10x. Someone saying their life changed. And you? You are thinking, yar, I got left behind. This feeling. This is called FOMO. Fear of missing out. And this feeling is so powerful that without thinking, without researching, without any plan, you put your money in, and that is exactly when the market is at its peak, and that is exactly when whales, the big investors, are pulling their money out. You are coming in, they are going out, your money is going into their pockets. The lesson. When the market is at its loudest, that is when you need to be most careful. FOMO is an emotion. Markets do not run on emotions. Point 2. Lack of knowledge. Blind investing. Tell me honestly, do you know how blockchain actually works? Do you know what market cap means? Do you know what liquidity is? No? That is completely fine, honestly. The problem comes when you do not know these things. And you still put money in? Think about it, would you ever lie down on a table for an unknown surgery? With a doctor who does not even know what he is doing? No, right? Then why do you put money in without knowing the basics? In crypto, ignorance is very expensive. A lot of people invest in a project just because the name sounded good, or someone recommended it, or the price was going up, without understanding what they are buying. The lesson. First learn, then invest. Knowledge is your biggest protection in crypto. Point 3. Following fake influencers. This one personally hurts me, because I know how many people have fallen into this trap. Open Instagram, open YouTube, open Twitter. You will find a guy's shiny suit, photo with a Lamborghini Dubai in the background. I made 50 lakh profit in 1 month. Join my course today, and you think, yar, this guy knows something. Let me follow him. Let me join his signal group, and he tells you buy this coin. You buy it, the price goes up, you feel happy. And then he quietly sells everything he has. The price crashes. You are stuck. This is called pump and dump, and it is illegal. But in the crypto space, this happens every single day. That Lamborghini? It was bought with your money. Literally. The lesson? Nobody can give you guaranteed returns if someone is giving them. They are using you, not guiding you. Point 4. No risk management. I know this sounds boring. Risk management? What is this nonsense? But this is the one thing that separates professionals from amateurs. Listen to a simple scenario. You have 1 lakh rupees in savings. You are excited about crypto, and you put the entire 1 lakh into one coin. The market crashes 50%, which is completely normal in crypto. Your 1 lakh becomes 50,000. You panic, and you sell. 50,000 rupees is lost. There was one simple rule: only put in what you can afford to lose. Never put 100% of your savings in. Never put everything into one coin. Use a stop loss. These rules sound boring, but these rules save your money. The lesson. In crypto, surviving is itself winning. Whoever survives eventually earns. Point 5. Emotional trading. Fear and greed. You bought a coin. At 100 rupees, it became 200. Your heart says hold more. It will go to 500. This is greed. Then it comes back down to 120. Your heart says no, it will come back. Hold it, it comes to 80. Panic begins, at 50. You sold it. This is fear. Buy high, sell low. This is what 90% of people do, because they trade with their emotions. Warren Buffett once said, when everyone is fearful, be greedy. When everyone is greedy, be fearful. In crypto, this rule matters even more. The lesson. Emotions and investments do not go together. Make a plan first. Follow it no matter what happens. Point 6, and listen carefully for this one. Overtrading, the addiction mindset. Let me ask you something personal. How many times did you check the crypto price today? 5 times? 10 times? 50 times? That feeling, that restlessness, that compulsive checking. This is called an overtrading mindset, and it works exactly like an addiction. Crypto markets are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Stock markets close. Crypto does not, and this 24/7 availability is a trap. People think if I watch carefully enough, if I catch every movement, then I will make money. Reality? The more you trade, the more fees go out, the more mistakes happen, and the more your brain goes into fatigue. Overtrading is that trap, where a person thinks he is doing something, when actually he is only losing his money. Studies show people who trade more consistently earn less than people who hold, because timing the market is almost impossible, consistently every single time. The lesson? Less is more. You do not have to do more, you have to do it right. Make a plan, execute it, then put your phone down. Wait 1 second, if you are still watching this video right now. One thing is clear about you. You do not want to be in that 90%, and honestly, just this awareness is enough, because most people never even think they could be wrong. You are already different, we are not even halfway yet, and the points coming ahead. They are even more dangerous. Stay with me. Point 7. No long-term vision. Let me ask you a simple question. Why did you come to crypto? Seriously, why? If your answer is I want to make fast money, then you are already playing the wrong game. Crypto is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It never was. It never will be. The people who bought Bitcoin in 2013 and held for 10 years. They are millionaires today. The people who bought in 2021 and sold in 3 months. A lot of them got burned. Long-term vision does not mean you blindly hold. It means you understand, where is this technology going? What is this project solving? And do you believe in it for the next 5 years? If yes, then ignore the short-term noise. If no, then honestly, do not buy that coin. The lesson. Crypto is a marathon, not a sprint. Whoever understood this stayed standing. Point 8. Ignoring market cycles. This sounds a little technical, but I promise I will keep it simple. Crypto has cycles. Bull market when everything goes up, bear market when everything comes down, and these cycles happen roughly every 4 years around the Bitcoin halving. Now what is the problem? 90% of people enter at the end of the bull market when everything is at its peak, and exit in the bear market when everything has fallen, exactly backwards. They think the cycle is permanently going up, or permanently going down. Both assumptions are wrong. Markets are predictable, not perfectly but broadly, and whoever understands them stays prepared in advance. The lesson. History does not repeat exactly, but it definitely rhymes. Read the market cycles, learn from them. Point 9. Okay, this is my personal favorite. And honestly, this is the most dangerous one too. I do not want to tell you this just because it is an interesting point. I want to tell you this because I myself fell into this trap. In 2021, everyone was saying this cycle is different. Institutions have arrived. This time Bitcoin will go to 500,000. The bear market will not come this time. And me? I believed it. Because the truth is, this phrase, "this time is different," this is the most dangerous phrase in all of investing. Harvard Business School has done research on this. Before every major market crash, 1929, 2000, 2008, people were saying the same thing. This time is different, and it was not. It never was. In crypto too, at every bull market peak there is some reason, some narrative that makes it feel like yes, this time it really is different. But the fundamentals do not change. Human greed does not change. Markets fall, always, and then they rise again. Always. The lesson. Whenever you hear "this time is different," that is exactly the moment when you need to be most careful. The most money in history has been made on things people thought would never happen. And the most money has been lost on things people thought would definitely happen. Point 10. No exit strategy. This is a mistake that surprisingly almost everyone makes. Everyone has an entry plan. I will buy this coin when the price reaches here. Exit plan. Empty. Completely empty. Listen to this: money is not made until you sell. Unrealized gains are just numbers on a screen. How many people were sitting at 10x profit in 2021 and thought, wait more, it will go to 50x? And then the crash of 2022 came. And their profit only remained as a memory. Exit strategy is simple. Decide in advance when and where do I want to take my profit. Stick to it, even if it goes higher after you sell, because predicting the top is impossible. And chasing perfection makes people lose their opportunity. The lesson. Entering the game is the beginning. Building an exit strategy is the real game. So these were the 10 reasons, and I want you to stop thinking for just 1 second. Out of these 10 points, how many points did you relate to? 1, 2, 5. If none, then honestly maybe you have not entered this space seriously yet. If even one, then this video today was for you, because these mistakes, they are all avoidable. They are all learnable, but only when you are aware, only when you are honest with yourself. And this is the only thing that separates the 10% from the 90%. Awareness, patience, discipline. Let me ask you one straight question. Why do 90% of people lose? Because they treat crypto like an ATM. Go in, take money out, leave. Crypto is a tool, a powerful tool. But any powerful tool without knowledge is dangerous. A chainsaw in the hands of a thinking person creates art. In the hands of someone who does not understand it creates damage. Making money in crypto is possible. Many people have done it. Many more will do it. But those people are only the ones who understood, who were patient, who were not emotional, who were prepared. The rest are just liquidity. That money which 90% of people lose. Where does it go? It goes to those who understand the game. So now the decision is yours. Do you want to stay in that 90%? Or will you learn, will you understand and become part of that 10%? If this video helped you, 1 like is enough. And if you have a friend who is thinking about entering crypto, share this video with them, because sometimes one video changes someone's financial life. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay curious, stay careful.